So far, we've talked about the future of banking and how innovation technology will transform it through fintech. What's the take of central bank in the place of regulation of this innovation and changes?
Okay, that's a very nice one. Just like I explained during the conversation, central bank plays a major role in the entire equation, which is about ensuring financial system stability and price stability. That's a major role. And in doing that, we would ensure that all the economic agents that will be involved in the transmission of money and other would have to be regulated. There should be rules of the game that everybody complies to, which is the regulation. Fintech is an emerging buzzword, but as far as I'm concerned, we've had fintech for over 10 years now. Today, Nigerian banks are like technology companies providing financial service. Their investment in technology is so huge that you can actually, regard them as technology companies, basically providing financial service. So when you now have technology companies now, in small scales, coming to provide financial service layered on the account information that the banks already have, it's not anything new. The only thing is that they do not have banking license. And so that's where the new argument goes to now. For people who want to provide financial services that are not banks, will bank do that, a recognition and allow them to offer financial service? And the answer has always been yes, yes, yes. All you need to do is to submit yourself first to the regulatory controls of the Apex Bank, so that we can create a very hygienic ecosystem. That's basically it. As I speak, during our discussion, I said Central Bank has already embarked on two major journeys, two major ones that will crystallize into a very effective, payment ecosystem, which is about looking at how we can automate, our oversight activities using technology, regulatory technology, RegTech, and also seeing how we can automate what today we call approval in principle operation. Today, if you go to Central Bank and you want to take a payment system license, the first thing we give you is to give you an approval in principle, where we ask you to go and set up your enterprise, put up all the operational mechanisms in place, and test, so that you can identify all the various risks. Today we will be migrating. We are looking forward to migrating to a technology controlled area called, sandbox, regulatory sandbox, where people can actually go in to test, all the various, use cases of the businesses and all the risks identified before, they go commercial. In other words, once they are done with the sandbox, we just ask them to go commercial. So Central Bank is basically in line and moving in the direction of where the world is thinking now, which is about, having fintechs to provide financial services on top of banks' account information.
Finally, on the committee that was set up to review issues around fintech and blockchain, so far, when are we expecting the report? Because all you get, stakeholders are here.
It means you have actually been trailing us. I like that. Yes, they've submitted their reports and they have identified the various use cases, and they have also made some recommendation in terms of areas that the regulator has to intervene in order to create a synergy that will bring all the participants together. So any moment from now, I'm sure the management of Central Bank will take a position based on those recommendations.